we'll see the question, why are you looking to leave your company? Or why are you looking for job change? Or why are you looking for a role change? All these questions has same meaning. It means you are leaving one organization and willing to join other organization for your personal benefits. Now, how to answer this question? While leaving any job, person may have different reasons like want to grow, boss is strict or unfair, not satisfied with the current salary package, long distance, transportation facility, attitude of team, looking for bigger challenge, wants to acquire new skills, or organization contacted you and you are interested, and many more. Truth is that all the reasons mentioned here are valid and true. But the interviewer may interpret it as, if you tell them that you want to grow, then they think you have some hidden political agendas. If you tell them your boss is unfair and strict, they will think you have problem with the authority. If you tell them you are not satisfied with the current salary, they will think you are greedy. If you tell them that you do not get along with someone, then they will think you are hard to work with your teammates. That is, you are lacking in teamwork. If you tell them you want to be closer to the home, to spend time with your family, they will think you are lazy. If you tell them you are looking for bigger challenge, they will think you are not honest. If you tell them you want to acquire new skills, they will think you will quit them once you acquire the skills. If you tell them they are the ones who initiated and contacted you and you got interested, they will think you get influence with others. All the reasons that were mentioned here are valid, but the interviewer interpreted it in different way. And people quit the organizations because of many different reasons. This question may be stupid and makes the people uncomfortable. But there are many reasons why organizations and interviewers are interested in such type of questions. Here, the interviewer wants to test. First, they want to hear from you that you are living for right reason. Second, interviewer wants to know you are not living because of poor performance, misbehavior, stealing, difficult working relation with boss, client, co-worker, you hate your job, hidden agendas if any, bad attitude and gestures, confidential, proprietary information sharing. Third, they are trying to determine whether you are the someone who will grow well at the company. Fourth point, the interviewer is looking to see how you cope with the adversity. The best answer to the question can be compiled with the points I am suggesting here. First, emphasize the positive reasons. Second, include some positive stories about you. Third, give an external reason, if any, for leaving the job, but be true. Fourth, avoid negative references about the formers. Fifth, promote what you love instead of what you hate. Sixth, talk about what you like. Seventh, think on whether you are able to sell yourself or a writing skill. I have one sample answer for the same question. It may help you to frame your own answers. Let's have a look. I hope this video will help you in framing your own answer. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Or you can add your valuable suggestions in the comment box. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you very much for watching this video and giving your valuable time.